at the Invincible Sports Park. Since it got started, since they launched it, since they built it, it's my first time here. So I came out here today to capture some morning scenes of the Invincible Sports Park. I'm going in there. I know there won't be a lot of activities right now, but that's what I wanted to get, the morning and the evening scenes. So I'm walking there right now. Let's take a walk. It's the Invincible Park. Now you see all of the solar panels. This place has a lot of it. This place can be very lit up in the night when you are passing by. Like, I don't even know if light ever goes, from this place. This is one of the football fields. Oh, I see they also have a mini mart, an Invincible mart. Okay, that's good. That's awesome. Yeah. This is excellent. What do they have in here? I'm just walking around. I saw the mini mart, so I'm going to see what goes in here. Okay, thank you. Got drinks and everything. So you have field number 1 and field number 2. I don't know what else. I see the children's playground over there, so I'm taking a walk there. Yeah. This is cool. I wonder what goes on beyond. Like, this place is so big. This place is so big. Okay. Let's give it up for the person. He did his thing, He did his thing. So I'm reaching around the children's playground. Okay, and here the sitting area. Oh, this is beautiful. I may as well just want to sit down somewhere on one of these. Yeah, that's it. And this is the playground. The children's playground. Oh. Okay. Switch with me. Walk with me. I see the artwork on the wall there. They have Invincible Sports Park. Maybe they are going to put something in this space or these spaces. I don't know. But it looks so. Where did they pass to get in there? So let's see if we can take a walk in the children's playground. Your morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Oh, alrighty. So if you bring your kids here, I guess these are places that you can sit, sit to watch them as they play. Beautiful enough, thoughtful enough. So you can watch over your kids as they go about or around playing. for safety, purposes. Okay. And I like this grass they put here. I don't know if it's artificial.
Ooh.
It is artificial. Artificial it is. Okay. Now I just want to dip under here. I won't take shocker. There's a way to get out. No, I think I have to go back outside. I still see these ropes here, so I have to go back on the other side. That's like a cultural village or something. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's go. Y'all know in China we can walk fast there, so y'all bear with me when I'm running and say I'm walking. Oh, look at that bird. Okay. Ooh, look at these ones. I wanted to catch them. I'm trying to look for all the different avenues Basilica in this place. But I thought like there would be like a signboard or something, Then when you get here, you see this one saying EJ Raw sports page. Good morning. I thought there would be something like that. Yeah, just the other playground. We're on the other side. This is the other side of the path. I think this is excellent, man. Okay. Take a look at this view. Like it's a complete runway of, y'all don't get me started right now. And my manager is like, head up, chest up. Oh my God. This is crazy. Wow. Oh, so I'm going to pass, in front of the camera so that you see what's happening here. Here. Hi. Oh, so now we're going to some of my best places. The basketball court. You go Yeah, I played basketball before. I have so much energy. Okay, but there's a lot of space out here though. Okay, so I was wondering why, this particular portion wasn't attached to everything that's happening here. But then I got to realize that, they have the airport right here, the Spriggs Payne Airport. This is one of Liberia's airports also beside the RIA. So it's right up here. Is it safe? I don't know. But let's continue to view our park. Okay. Let me slow it down small, yeah? Because I don't want to rear running. Okay, I see the facilities. Should we do the basketball area and come to the facilities? Yeah, so we have people playing football here this morning. I don't know if it is a team or these are just people that put themselves together who love to play football, who are here. I really don't know. Okay, so the construction is still ongoing. Even though they are through with some of them, well, as you can see, a lot of buildings that are still buildings. I think they just finished with this entire quarter, as you can see. Okay, look at this. Like you want to get there and just stand in the middle of it. Yeah, so we are out here now. We just got around the basketball section. And this is cool. Why did you enter from? It's not away on the other side. Yeah, so we are on the basketball court right now. I told you I played this thing. I told you guys. Woo! Woo!
Basket.
That's all right. Okay, please get it. Thank you. Yeah, I told you this is home. So, on the basketball. Just I'm breathing like a cow because I haven't done this thing in ages. That's what's up. So we are going down to the lawn tennis court to see what's happening on that side. That felt good. So we are just moving into places here. So there's no one here, but this is the volleyball court. Do you play volleyball? Which sport do you play? Tell me in the comment section below. Like, I'm so energetic, y'all. I love sports. I played a whole lot of sports. I played kickball, I played basketball, I played lawn tennis. As you see over there, that's the coach. I did a lot. Yes. I think the kids are playing on the lawn tennis court. That ball sounds soft. My next favorite, you know, I think if I had continued to play lawn tennis, I would have been like the Serena Williams of Liberia, you know, Serena Venus. This was my experience this morning. The sun is up and it's scorching hot. So I'm going to see I'm sweating all over my face and everything. So I'm going to cut it here for this morning and be back in the evening. I'm very much sure there will be a lot of activities here in the evening. So I see y'all. Bye bye.